Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 3 episodes we are going to show you 15 interesting facts about Blackpink you didn't know. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. So let's get it started. 15 Ultimate Blackpink Facts You Never Knew. 1. They debuted in 2016. Blackpink's debut single album was launched back in 2016. They had to compete against other females for a spot in the band and attend a special K-pop school, like many other K-pop bands, to learn everything about being a pop star. The song, Boombaya, from their debut album, Square One, became their first #1 hit. 2. Their name has a cool origin. Blackpink is the result of contrasting a dark, edgy color like black with a sweet, delicate color like pink. It aims to showcase all of the members of Blackpink's varied personalities. It's also meant to show that feminine things can have a strong side too. 3. They are all from different places. While Rose is actually Australian and was born in New Zealand, Jisoo was born and reared in South Korea. Jennie has also resided in New Zealand, and Lisa is originally from Thailand. They are all genuine world travelers, but they all had to relocate to South Korea to begin their training for Blackpink, where they are currently situated. 4. They are record breakers. In the brief time that Blackpink has been together, they have shattered a lot of records. This includes the most watched live video, most watched video in the first 24 hours, and song with 1 billion views. They are the second most followed K-pop band on Spotify, and Forbes magazine named them one of the most influential celebrities of 2019. That amounts to about 30 million Spotify users. 5. They can speak many different languages. The females are fluent in Korean and also speak Thai, English, Japanese, and Chinese together. Lisa is the most fluent speaker since she can communicate in all 5 languages. Wow! They exploit these abilities in their songs, flipping between languages in singles like How You Like That, Kill This Love, and Ice Cream. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.